Good evening, students. In today's lecture, we see here new paper, that is here paper number 7, paper number 8. We see here paper number 8, ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation. So we have to start this paper, ordinary differential equation. So here first we have to see the definition of differential equation, then definition of ordinary differential equation. But here before that we see here some preliminary things, that here what is meant by dependent variable and what is meant by independent variable. So if we have a function y is equal to f of x, so this function y is a function of x, y is a function of x, then this x is said to be independent variable. This x is said to be independent variable and this y is said to be dependent variable. Here y is a function of a single variable x. Here y depends on x. The value of x is independent on y. So we take here one example. Suppose we have function y is equal to f of x and this function is given by x square. So our function is f of x is equal to x square. We write y is equal to x square. So if we give here in this function formula, if we give x is equal to 1, then this gives y is equal to f of 1 is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. So for x is equal to 1, the y is equal to 1. So for x is equal to 2, so we have y is equal to f of 2 is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. So for x is equal to 2, y gives 4. Means here the value of y, if we give the value of x, then it gives the value of y. Means y depends on x. Y depends on x. That's why y is said to be dependent variable and x is a independent variable. So next we see here what is meant by differentials or differential coefficients. So here as we have seen here this dependent variable and independent variable. So generally if y is equal to f of x, then y is a dependent variable and x is an independent variable. So we have to see what is meant by differentials, or it is also said to be differential coefficient. So differentials means the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. So this dy by dx, this is the differential. Either this is said to be differential or differential coefficient. So here d2y by dx2. So this is a second order derivative of y with respect to x. So this is also said to be differential or differential coefficient. That is any order derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, that is said to be the differential or the differential coefficient. Now here we have what is meant by dependent variable, independent variable, and here what is meant by differentials or differential coefficient. Now we see here definition of the differential equation. What is meant by differential equation? So here definition of differential equation. Definition of differential equation. Here an equation which contains a dependent variable, an equation which contains dependent variable, independent variable, dependent variable, independent variable, and differentials, either differentials or differential coefficients. Then that equation is said to be differential equation. So differential equation, simple definition, an equation which contains dependent variable, independent variable, and differentials, either differentials or differential coefficients. So simply differential equation. Then later we have to see here its types of the differential equations. डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन म्हणजे काय? असं इक्वेशन ज्यामध्ये डिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल असेल, इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल असेल आणि डिफरन्शियल्स किंवा डिफरन्शियल कोएफिशियंट्स असतील. पण आता यामध्ये असं नाही सांगितलं की इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल किती असतील, डिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल किती असतील, हे यामध्ये नाही, कारण त्याच्यावरून आपल्या टाइप्स डिसाइड होणार आहेत. नाउ हिअर वी सी डेफिनेशन ऑफ द ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. We see here. So now here we see the definition of ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation. So we see here definition of ordinary differential equation. An equation which contains dependent variable, an equation which contains dependent variable, a dependent variable, a single independent variable, dependent variable, single independent variable, and differentials with reference to single independent variable. So the definition of ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation means an equation which contains dependent variable. So either dependent variables means either one or more dependent variables. An equation which contains dependent variable, a single independent variable. So this is very important in the definition of the ordinary differential equation. An equation which contains dependent variable, a single independent variable, that is only one independent variable, and the differentials, either differentials or differential coefficients with reference to a single independent variable. ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन म्हणजे काय? असं इक्वेशन ज्यामध्ये डिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल असेल आणि फक्त एकच इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल असेल आणि डिफरन्शियल कोएफिशियंट्स किंवा डिफरन्शियल्स असतील फक्त विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू single independent variable. So this definition will be clear from this example. Suppose here we have the examples of differential equation. So that is here this differential equation, dy by dx is equal to cos x. dy by dx is equal to cos x. This is an example of the differential equation. So this equation, differential equation, contains this differential or differential coefficient dy by dx, and here this differential equation is with respect to a single independent variable. So one more we see here, d2y by dx2 plus 2y is equal to 0. This is one more example of the ordinary differential equation. So this equation contains this dependent variable y, and here this differential coefficient. Again this differential coefficient is with respect to a single independent variable. This is ordinary differential equation. So one more example I write here. d2y by dx2 which is equal to square root of 1 plus dy by dx its square. So this is a one more example of the ordinary differential equation. So I have, so we see here one more example. X into dy by x into dy by dz plus y into dx by dz plus 2x is equal to 0. So again this is also example of the differential equation. Here the independent variable is a z. Only differentials or derivatives with respect to the independent variable z. या differential equation मध्ये फक्त z हे independent variable आहे. इथं dependent variable y आहे, x आहे, पण मात्र याच्यामध्ये independent variable हा एक आणि एकच आहे. Now here, so now we see here next definition of the partial differential equation. Definition of partial differential equation. Partial differential equation. So the definition is an equation which involves two or more independent variables. Two or more independent variables and differentials either differentials or differential coefficients, or I can write here particularly partial differential coefficients or partial differentials with respect to any of them. So partial differential equation means an equation which involves, now here this is important, two or more independent variables. An equation which involves two or more independent variables and differentials with respect to any of the independent variable. Partial differential equation म्हणजे काय की ज्यामध्ये कमीत कमी दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल्स असतील आणि डिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल त्यामध्ये एक असेल, कितीही असेल, डिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबलची कंडिशन नाही आहे, आणि मग डिफरन्शियल कोएफिशियंट्स असतील. मग ते डिफरन्शियल कोएफिशियंट्स किंवा डिफरन्शियल्स हे जेवढे इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल असतील त्याच्यासोबतचे ते डिफरन्शियल्स असतील किंवा डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन्स. So now here we see here example. So example of the partial differential equation that is here x into dou z by dou x plus y into dou z by dou y is equal to 2z. So this is an example of the partial differential equation. जसं लास्ट ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनमध्ये काय कंडिशन की इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल हा फक्त एक आणि एकच इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल असतो, आणि मग त्याच्यामध्ये जे डिफरन्शियल्स किंवा डिफरन्शियल कोएफिशियंट्स आहेत ते विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू त्या सिंगल इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल असतील. आता इथं पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनमध्ये कमीत कमी दोन इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल असतील, दोन किंवा मग दोनपेक्षा जास्त किती असतील. इन दिस एक्झाम्पल dependent variable is a z is a dependent variable, and here independent variable x and y, so these are the independent variables. म्हणजे इथं दोन इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल्स आहेत. मग ज्या डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनमध्ये फक्त एकच इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल असेल ते ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन असेल, आणि ज्या डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनमध्ये कमीत कमी दोन आणि दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल असतील ते पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन असेल. सो दिस इज ॲन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द partial differential equation.